Man, if you've been looking for a brand new home with 5 bedrooms on a single story, just like this home, yes, single story, because a lot of 5-bedroom homes are always 2-story. But if you've been wanting a single story home, then this home right here is one that you might have to consider. This house is 5 bedrooms, has 3 bathrooms, and it's just under 2,200 square feet. So very spacious. Here in the Southwest area, we're in a really good community and really close by to a lot of shopping like Walmart, Sam's Club. We have a new Target in here, and they're even starting to do more and more construction for shopping centers around this area. And then aside from that, we're super close to some of the greatest schools in Bakersfield here in the Southwest area. So if you're interested in something like this, you need to check this home out. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you some information on what the deals are for something like this, because we can actually get a really good deal with your upfront costs of getting into the home, as well as your interest rate to help you with those monthly payments, which is why so many people are going with new construction homes just like this. I mean, I've sold this floor plan multiple times. I have clients in escrow right now with this exact same floor plan, and you'll see exactly why. So stay until the end. I'll give you that info and we'll go over the good news, best news you'll ever hear in your life. Let's check out this home. So as soon as we come in, we're actually greeted by 2 different bedrooms on both sides. So let's check this one out over here first. This is our first bedroom right here. Pretty nice and spacious bedroom, normal sized bedroom. You have your regular sliding door closet right here. So we'll jump over to the next room. It's gonna be pretty much the same thing, just that this one is facing the front of the home. So similar style, facing the front of the home. And then we have the same sliding door closet. So that's what you'll see, especially when you have single story and it's 5 bedrooms, right? We're gonna see 3 of the rooms all the way up here in front of the house. So we just jumped across the hallway, went back a little bit further, and we have our 3rd bedroom right here behind me. This one is also facing the front of the home. So it also has that normal closet, just like the other 2 bedrooms. And then one thing about this floor plan is that it is a Spanish style. So I know you guys could tell from the outside of this home, it was a cool Spanish style look with that tile roof, which is really cool. They have it in a few different color schemes, but that same style. So if you like that Spanish style look, this is one that you should consider. Let's check out this bathroom right here. So we have our sink, our brown cabinets, our toilet, and then take a look at that standing shower right there, which is pretty nice. And then we'll make our way over down this hallway. We're gonna get to the master bedroom towards the end. You guys don't wanna miss that master bedroom, as well as the rest of this living area. But first, we're gonna cut this corner over here before we check that out. And we're gonna take a look at this area. So we passed 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Now we're taking a look at our 2nd bathroom. Take a look at that. We have 2 sinks, which is really nice, our toilet, and then our shower right over there. And then one thing about this home is that we actually have tile flooring. So instead of like the vinyl planks or like the rollout type of vinyl flooring, we're actually dealing with real tile that looks like wood. So it's a really nice flooring, durable. And then right over here, we actually have our laundry room. You can actually follow me in here because it's very spacious in here, you guys. So this is where your washer dryer would go. You get even more space over here for whatever else you want to put here, extra shelves or anything like that. And you get still the really high ceilings that goes throughout the entire home is also in this laundry room. And then go check out that area. There's even more shelves back here in this laundry room. So if you're looking for a big laundry room and you have a few kids, you're like, dang, I need a lot of space, this house has that for you. And then right behind that, we're jumping to our 4th bedroom, which is really nice. Same kind of size as the first 3 bedrooms and same style closet, but this one is not close to the front of the home. So you kind of see this house starts off with the first 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, Then it splits off into a second wing with a bathroom, laundry room, and this bedroom right here. And then as we make our way down this hallway, we're actually gonna pass by our 2-car garage door, which is gonna be right here, conveniently located in front of this coat closet, right? So it's basically a normal coat closet right here. Hey guys, so I created a completely free resource for you, which is my Bakersfield new construction guide that you guys can download right now. This goes over the different areas of new construction here in Bakersfield. It goes over what the process looks like and also the requirements and some other questions you might have. So many people have downloaded it and loved it, so feel free to download that right now with the link down in the description or the QR code, and let's get back to the video. And then as we make our way towards the rest of the home, we'll get to the master bedroom at the end, but right here where we're at is basically our living room area. So you get a nice and spacious area right here. The way that someone would have this set up is your couches kind of coming along this area like an L shape, your little coffee table in the middle, and then usually right here on this wall is where your TV's gonna go, and then of course your TV console in this area, so it creates a lot of space. And then as you walk through that living room, you jump into the kitchen, and then as well as the dining area, which also leads to our backyard. So one thing I want you to notice, the ceiling actually transitions right here from our regular 9-foot ceiling up to this vaulted ceiling, which looks like it goes right in the middle. It would go up about 10 or 11 feet. So as you can see, we have this really nice vaulted ceiling when you make your way into this kitchen and dining area. So check out this kitchen. It's a nice black island. And everything you see in this house when it comes to the color scheme, so the flooring color, the cabinets, the countertops, all of that stays the same with this builder. This is a Lennar home, and this floor plan is the Bodega floor plan. So if you like this Bodega floor plan and you're like, hey, I really like that home, I want to reserve a lot that is that floor plan, you know to let me know that you want the Bodega floor plan, because this is a really nice house. But check out these cabinets that we get right over here. You get the nice white tile backsplash, brown cabinets, and then over here on my left, our sink is actually facing this window, which shows the entire backyard. And we're at a model home right now, so this exact house that we are in, the one we're standing in, is not for sale, but they're building this floor plan exactly the way it looks, the same layout, the Bodega floor plan here in the neighborhood, and you can reserve one like this. So it won't be this exact yard, but they have some pretty nice spacious yards depending on what lot we actually reserve. But this window is pretty cool, big window that faces the back when you have your kids out there playing outside. You will get a dishwasher with the home, of course your sink, and then over here we have our stove, electric stove, and then our oven. New construction no longer does gas here in Bakersfield or California overall. For the most part, I don't think it's legal anymore. Like no builder does it anymore. But that's why you have your electric and then your oven right here. And then right behind me, your refrigerator is one of those things. Your refrigerator, washer, and dryer are usually the things that are not included when you're purchasing a new home. In some cases, if the house is like ready to go and they need to get it sold, it could be included. But right over here behind me, we actually have our pantry. Take a look at that. So you have this nice pantry space right in the corner. And then behind me is where our dining space was at. So this is where you'll have your long table dining area right here, right next to your kitchen, your living room. And now let's make our way over here to what you guys have been waiting for. That master bedroom is towards the back of this home, wrapping around this area behind the kitchen. Take a look at this master bedroom on its own separate area. Really nice. You get your two windows here. Of course, your bed would go right in between your two nightstands. And then over here, there's an area if you want to put a TV or a picture frame and your dresser. Behind that, we actually have our walk-in closet. You can actually follow me in here. So all of these shelves right here, which are really nice. And then down over here, we have our clothes rack is what it's called, I think, all the way wrapped around this area. So high ceiling still in this closet, so you can raise this up, add another one below it, and have double the amount of storage if your wife is like mine and needs a lot of space. But follow me over here into this master bathroom. Let's get this light on right here. We have our 2 sinks, and then we have tons of cabinet storage. And check out this trim on the mirror. They don't do that in a lot of houses, but it's a really nice trim that you get here. And then take a look at that shower. You get the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling, the tile on the flooring, which is really nice, standing shower, and our toilet was back there as well, you guys. But that is pretty much it for the inside of the home. We're making our way now to the back of the house so I can tell you a little bit about the yards and things like that, as well as what kind of deals are offered on a home just like this one. So let's make our way over here. So this one right here is kind of on a weird lot. I promise you, like, most lots are not like this. They sometimes put the model homes, which they're not gonna sell right away, on a weird lot. And that's what they did here. So over here, it's kind of like a triangle on this side. And then it gets really close to the corner of the house here. And then it goes over to another triangle over here. But usually your yard's gonna be about 25, 35 feet back and a normal style yard. Now, like I said, depending on the lot that we actually reserve, it can be a bigger yard, smaller, whatever is available. When we connect, there could be some bigger yards, or if you're like, hey, I don't need that big of a yard, there could be some options like that as well. Now, for this floor plan, the Bodega floor plan, the one we just walked through today, this one is actually currently around the low $500,000 price range here in the Southwest. They also build it all the way up in the Northwest area of Bakersfield, kind of considered Shafter. And in that area, it's in the high 400s. So it's a little bit lower in price range if you like that area as well. It's also a nice growing area, but for this floor plan, we're looking around that low $500,000 price range. So if you are interested in this home that we just checked out, you know it's the Bodega floor plan. And what we can get on something like this is we usually can get all of your closing costs covered by the builder. In almost every single case, I've been able to help my clients get all their closing costs covered, which saves you about $10,000 to $12,000, which is usually something you have to pay out of pocket on top of your down payment. That's why new construction kind of has really good deals right now. And then aside from that, we can also get you a special interest rate. Usually, depending on what we can get and when the home is gonna be available, we can get really low interest rates or just some discounts on that rate. So your payment is a lot lower for your full 30 years for the same price home, a lot lower payment. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, I can help you out with that on a home like this. Or if you're just looking for a house in general and you're like, hey, I wanna reach out to you, talk about what I'm looking for in a home, what area of Bakersfield I wanna be in, or what priorities I have when looking for a house so I can help you find that area, then reach out to me, schedule a phone consultation. The link is down in the description. When you schedule that at whatever time works for you, we'll talk about all of that and set up a good plan to get you into a house. But with all that being said, you guys have an amazing day. Before you go, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. But really quick, I wanted to take a couple minutes to share with you what I genuinely believe is the greatest news any person could ever hear. You know, we just toured an amazing home, and honestly, there are so many amazing things in this life: a beautiful home, success, money, family, vacations, accomplishments. These things can all be incredible blessings, but if we're honest, no matter what we achieve or finally get, it never completely fills us the way that we thought it would. Maybe you felt that before. You finally get the thing you wanted, and after some time, you start chasing the next thing and the next thing. And I think deep down, every one of us knows that this life isn't all that there is, because the truth is, everything here is temporary, even down to our own lives on this earth. But the Bible tells us something powerful in John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. And what that means is this: God actually created you for eternity. He created you to know him, but there is a problem. If we're honest with ourselves, none of us are perfect. We've all made mistakes, we've lied, we've hurt people, we've carried guilt, done things that we regret, and fallen short of the life that God intended for us. The Bible calls that sin, and sin separates us from a holy and perfect God. But here's the good news, you guys. There's good news, and that's why I share it at the end of every video. That God loved you so much, he didn't just leave you separated from him. Jesus Christ came to this earth, lived the perfect life that none of us could ever live, and even though he never sinned, he willingly went to the cross and took the punishment that we deserved upon himself. In other words, the price for our sin was paid by Jesus. Forgiveness, peace, purpose, and eternal life are available not because we earned it or became good enough, but simply by putting our faith and trust in him and what Jesus did on the cross. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been searching for peace, purpose, hope, or fulfillment in different things in this life. I just want you to know that what you're truly looking for is found in Jesus, and only in Jesus. He completely changed my life, and I truly believe he can change yours too. And if today you feel something kind of stirring in your heart, maybe after this video, take a moment and just talk to God. Be honest with him. You don't have to be having the perfect words, just be honest with him. Let him know that you need him, and place your faith and your trust in what Jesus has done for you, because every single one of us needs him, someone to cover our sin, and that is what Jesus did. And if you've been thinking about going to church or maybe getting back into community, I really encourage you to find a local church wherever you're watching from. But if you happen to be here in Bakersfield, my wife and I actually have our home church that we love and have amazing church family at here in Southwest Bakersfield. So I will actually leave a link down below in the description for you guys to come out. It's Discovery Church here on like White Lane. But if you guys see me, say hi. I'd love to meet you there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. God bless you.